Welcome back to Revvolution, the home of extraordinary vehicles, engineering marvels, and machines built to conquer. Today, we bring you something truly special, a vehicle that goes far beyond the definition of a camper. This is the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Unimog 4x4 Overland Expedition Camper, a purpose-built beast that fuses German engineering, military-grade toughness, and off-grid luxury to create one of the most extreme overlanding machines on the planet. Let's dive deep into every feature that makes this vehicle not just a camper, but an unstoppable expedition partner designed for the wildest adventures. Let's start with what powers this monster. Under the hood, the 2025 Unimog 4x4 is equipped with a robust 5.1-liter inline 4-turbo diesel engine. It produces around 230 horsepower and a staggering 900 Nm of torque. But it's not about high-speed performance. The Unimog is built to deliver immense torque at very low RPMs, allowing it to handle steep climbs, deep mud, rocky paths, and even river crossings with confidence. This engine is mated to an 8-speed manual transmission, paired with a 2-speed transfer case. The system includes front, center, and rear differential locks, along with an ultra-low crawler gear, giving you total control in the most technical driving situations. Whether you're climbing a snow-covered alpine trail or crawling over lava rock in Iceland, this drivetrain is built to endure and perform. One of the Unimog's secret weapons is its portal axle system. Instead of placing the axle in the center of the wheel hub, portal axles are offset, which dramatically increases ground clearance, over 18 inches in this case, without raising the suspension too high. This means better articulation, better approach and departure angles, and the ability to navigate terrain that would stop even other 4x4s. And speaking of terrain, let's talk about capability. The Unimog can ford up to 1.2 meters of water. It has a climbing ability of up to 45 degrees and a side slope tolerance of 38 degrees. With its flexible ladder frame and torque tube suspension, it can twist and flex without damage. Add in the central tire inflation system, which allows you to inflate or deflate tires on the go from inside the cabin, and you've got a rig that adapts instantly to sand, rock, snow, or mud. Now let's take a look at the camper module, the part that makes this beast not just powerful, but livable. The camper unit is usually a custom-built expedition-grade box, made from lightweight insulated composite panels. It's mounted to the Unimog chassis using a subframe with torsion-free mounting points. This allows the camper body to flex independently from the chassis, preventing structural damage during extreme articulation. Inside, the Unimog Overland Camper features a premium off-grid interior. It includes a fixed queen-size bed with under-mattress storage, a fully equipped kitchenette with a diesel cooktop or induction stove, a 90-liter refrigerator, a sink with hot and cold water, and ample cabinetry using marine-grade materials designed to resist moisture, mold, and wear. There's a convertible dinette that can comfortably seat 4 and transform into an additional sleeping space. You'll also find a wet bath, with a compact shower, a cassette toilet, and a small sink, all ventilated and waterproof to survive tough environments. For long expeditions, power and water are critical. The Unimog Camper supports a complete off-grid system. This includes dual lithium battery banks, often totaling 400 Ah or more, charged via both vehicle alternator and roof-mounted solar panels, typically around 800 to 1000 watts. An inverter, usually 2.5 to 3 kilowatts, supplies 230 volts AC power for appliances like laptops, kitchen gear, and even air conditioning. Units in some setups. The freshwater tank holds around 300 liters, greywater tanks are approximately 100 liters, and optional water filtration systems allow you to refill from natural sources like lakes and rivers. A diesel heater provides interior warmth and hot water, with electric backup if solar reserves allow. Onboard tech includes tank level monitoring, interior and exterior lighting control, inverter status, battery voltage display, and sometimes touchscreen interfaces with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. Many builders also integrate Starlink satellite internet and 5G boosters for working remotely in isolated places. In terms of driver comfort, the cab of the Unimog itself is functional and rugged but modern. It features adjustable air suspension seats, climate control, digital displays, GPS navigation with off-road mapping, and large windows for panoramic visibility. Optional upgrades include 360-degree cameras, night vision, external lighting rigs, and roof racks for additional storage or observation decks. Now let's get into the dimensions and practical details. The length of the Unimog Camper ranges between 6.5 and 7.5 meters, depending on layout. Width is around 2.3 meters, and height comes in at approximately 3.5 meters. The payload capacity is over 4,000 kilograms, and the total gross vehicle weight rating can go up to 14,500 kilograms, depending on configuration. Even with these massive numbers, the Unimog remains surprisingly maneuverable, thanks to its tight turning radius and precision steering system. It can go where most off-road vehicles can't even dream of attempting. And now the big question: how much does this overlanding titan cost? The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Unimog 4x4 Camper starts at roughly $370,000 for a base expedition build. But with custom interiors, advanced power systems, communications gear, and luxury upgrades, the final price can soar well above $500,000. Some builds even reach $700,000 for ultra-long range or Arctic-rated versions. But for that price, you're getting an expedition vehicle capable of crossing continents without relying on paved roads, fuel stations, or RV parks. It's a mobile fortress, a home, a command center, and an off-road legend all in one. So, who is this vehicle really for? The Unimog Camper is not for casual travelers or weekend campers. It's built for full-time overlanders, remote filmmakers, survivalists, scientific explorers, or anyone chasing the ultimate adventure far away from civilization. It's ideal for driving from Berlin to Cape Town, Alaska to Argentina, or across the Australian outback. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Unimog 4x4 Overland Expedition Camper is not just a tool, it's a lifestyle. A symbol of independence, resilience, and the spirit of exploration. If you're someone who dreams of taking the road less traveled, or no road at all, then the Unimog is your ticket to total freedom. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 Unimog Camper. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Revvolution, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest on the world's most incredible machines. Until next time, keep exploring.